Chitra's Vedic Cookery, where every meal is a ritual and every flavor aligns with the cosmos. You guessed right. Today, we explore the planet of the mind, emotions and rhythm, the moon. Moon doesn't speak to us in words, it whispers through feelings. Being closest to the earth, its ability to connect with us is very strong. Such connected people are very stable emotionally, intuitive, empathetic, and can become excellent counselors, healers, doctors, and the type. A weak moon leads to the opposite, emotionally unstable, highly sensitive, anxious, depressed, and in extreme cases, they will need medical help. The grains ruled by the moon and the food is rice, corn, all types of melons, musk melon, watermelons, absolutely any of them, cantaloupes, and milk products. Bottom line is seafood, of course, and it likes salty taste, but everything is soothing food. We have a yummy cool dish pertaining to the moon, and that is Srikhand. It's a very popular traditional dish of the Maharashtrians with a twist, of course. And we are also using melon here, musk melon, which again is ruled by the moon. Hung curds, this is powdered sugar, this is milk powder, which is the twist in this. And this is gond katira. Gond katira is used in the north very commonly during the summer season. This is the raw form of gond katira. It is not the gond which you use in sweets. This is different. And I just used 2 pieces like this in a cup full of water. And I soaked it overnight. And I got double this quantity. For flavoring, we have cardamom and saffron. And this is the chopped melon. So let's begin mixing it all up into an yummy dessert. This dish goes very well with puri, and that is how it is traditionally made, and it's a must have on every festival or special occasion in Maharashtra and Gujarat also, of course. Now I have put the hung curds into this. Necessary sweetness, since we are not very fond of sweet, so I add very little. Moreover, the milk powder also has its own sweetness. Now the milk powder is to give, to cut the sourness of the hung curd, especially in summer. However much you chill it, over the day it starts getting sour. So this will cut the sourness and also make it very smooth and fluffy. So I have taken a cup of hung curds. I will be using half a cup of milk powder. A few strands of saffron for the coloring. This is the cardamom pounded. Give all this a good mix till it turns fluffy. You can add sweetness to your taste, of course. But believe me, adding that milk powder makes it so fluffy. It just glides down your throat. Here. After mixing this up, now I'm going to add this gond katira. Just a little bit is enough, because this is very cooling and you might just end up with a bad cold or cough if you have too much of it. Here is the gond katira. It has a lovely jelly-like texture, which is very nice to have. And then we have the melons. Now instead of the melon, you can add any fruit, bananas, apples, and mangoes, of course. strawberries, whatever you want, or you can skip the fruit and have dry fruits, or you can just have with cardamom. You don't need anything else added to this. I have added melons, of course, because this is in season and it is also pertaining to the moon. Wow, can you see how delicious this looks? Hot fluffy puris and this, or have it as a dessert, chilled like an ice cream. It is yummy however you want, you have it. Silver is the metal ruled by moon, and when you have water or any dishes in silver, then you feel very calm and your blood pressure normalizes. That is the reason why people used to have food in silver plates. So this I am serving in silver so that it adds to your health and your wealth and your abundance. The universe has a solution to every challenge. Food can balance what the stars have stirred. The moon teaches us that change is natural. Subscribe to my channel for more recipes that match your mood and soul. Comment below your nakshatra. Let me know if you have any specific queries or requests. Let us connect over cosmic cuisine.